Hi, this is Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, and this video is on how to get a certified copy of court documents by mail in Galveston County, Texas. Here we go. All right, so the first thing you want to do is get the necessary form. So go to the district clerk's website, which I have here. You can either Google it or go ahead and cut and paste this into your browser. And then you're going to go to this page here, and you just need to scroll down until you find the necessary form, which is the request for copies of documents form. And it's going to look like this. Okay. Once you get that, go ahead, save it to your computer, and go ahead and print it out. And then you're going to need to get back to your computer and look up some information, because there's some information you may not have that you need to fill out this form. Now, if you have all the necessary information to fill out the form, you can skip this step, but most people don't. So the way to get the information you need about the document that you're going to want a certified copy of is that you go to the public access page for Galveston County, where they list all of the records for the various cases. And since this is going to be a family case, you're going to want to click on this link. That'll take you to the next page. So on the record search, you're going to find something looking like this. You can search for your case either by the party, by clicking here. It'll give you these fields. But if you have the cause number or your case number, which is a number that has two numbers followed by the letters FD and then followed by 4 more numbers, you can click on the case and look it up that way. Otherwise, you can look it up through the last name and find your case. When you have gotten to the right case, you should see a field that looks something like this. And if you're pretty sure that this is your case, because you see your name here, go ahead and click on this link right here. Okay? Now, once you do that, you're going to get a long list of all of the things that have happened in your case. It's all going to be chronologically placed in here. So you want to scroll down the page until you find the document that you're going to want, which in our example here is a final decree of divorce. When you see that, go ahead and click on it. That'll take you to this page. You see here that you've selected that particular event. And now if you click on the image, you're going to get an image. You can print that out, but that's not a certified stamped copy, which is what we're trying to get here. But it's got vital information here. First of all, you have the proper name of what you want, which is one of the things you have to fill out in the form. In this case, it's the final divorce decree. And more importantly even, is that this gives you how many pages the document is, because you need to pay $1 a page for certified copies. So you know that in this case, you're going to need to give the clerk $30 for a certified copy to be mailed to you. So make note of that information and then go back to your form. It brings us to step 4, where you're going to actually complete the form. At the top of it, date of request, that's today's date. The case number is the cause number that I had mentioned before. It's be 16-FD, whatever the case number was. The style is the name of the case, which is, in the matter of the divorce of so-and-so, or in the interest of such and such children. You can get this information. It's in the pleadings. It's back at the last. Here, we'll go back here. You can see it right here. Okay, in the matter of the marriage of so and so. You can put that in there. All right, then the name of the document to be copied will be the final decree of divorce. And make sure, because we're looking for certified copies, that you put an X here. Total number of copies means the total number of documents that you want. So if you want 3 copies, then you're going to need to pay for 90 pages of that, so that'd be $90. So it's good to have a copy and maybe a backup copy, but you don't need too many copies. But it's going to be, currently as of this video, the total price is going to be $1 per page. And then there's a space for you to put in notes to the clerk, which in most cases you aren't going to need. And then you've got to give the method of payment. So if you're doing this by mail, I don't recommend that you send cash. No personal checks are allowed over $50, so you're not going to be able to get more than 1 copy in most cases. A credit card information, that may be an option for you to put in there. Then you have to decide if you're going to pick up the copies or if you're going to have them mailed. Obviously, this video, and I strongly suggest that you have it mailed to you. Then you're going to put in the information of yourself, person requesting the copies. You're not with a law firm, so you're not going to put anything there, but you put your phone number and any contacting information you need in case the clerk needs to process this and has any problems with processing it. They know how to contact you. Now, make note here, to obtain certified, non-certified, any kind of copies, return the completed request form and include a self-addressed stamped envelope with the proper postage. And then they give you this very important note here. Usual postage consists of 1 stamp for every 5 pages. So in our example, that's going to be 5 divided by 30 is 6. So you're going to want to put 6 stamps on the envelope that will be coming to you with the copy in it. Obviously, you want to fill this out completely. Please do it legibly, or you might have problems getting it printed out. If you're terrible at handwriting, then go ahead and type it if you need to. So go ahead and send an envelope to the clerk along with the request form in it, including a self-addressed stamped envelope, which, just to remind you, don't seal that envelope, but make sure you put the 6 stamps on there. And that you put your address and put it in a larger envelope that you'll send along with the request. And then step 5 is just wait, and if you have any doubt that it's coming to you, I would give it at least a week. But if you have any doubt that it's coming to you, you can give a call to the clerk's office, mention that you made that request, and see if you can get the status on it. Thanks for watching the video, and I wish you luck in getting your certified copy. My name is Sean Palmer with the Palmer Law Firm, where we can't protect your heart, but we can protect your rights.